Okay, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Shazi Tech. So for today, we have an unboxing happening. So we have the Oculus Quest 2, and I gotta say, this is my first ever VR headset, and I'm super excited to unbox this and get into VR for the first time. Don't have anything previous to compare it to, but that's okay because from what I heard, this is leaps and bounds better than the predecessor, the Oculus Quest 1. But on that note, let's get on with it and let's unbox this beauty. All right, first ever unboxing. I have no idea how people be doing this, but oh look, there's a little flap. Let's take the flap off. All right, pull this, pulling. Well, that was useless. Just okay, cool, good talk. This is why we have this thing. All right, let's take the blade out. Find a little opening. It's gonna slit off the top. Awesome. I'm so excited. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell by my voice, but I'm ridiculously excited. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh, look at this beauty, dude. You know, it's funny. Like, I opened that. The first thing that hit me is like the cardboard smell, and it's like, I didn't expect that. I'll be real. Okay, now, how do we do this? Do we just slide it out? Do we open it? Oh, I think we slide it. Oh, okay, cool. Slide. Awesome. Oh, even this is just. Oh, that's why there's a cardboard smell. It looks like a shoebox. What? Okay, cool. Shoebox it is. All right, y'all ready? Ready? Ta-da! Oh my god, dude, this is so sick. Like, oh my god, I cannot. All right, so first thing straight out of the box now that we can see is we have set of controllers. Really loving the white though, not gonna lie. Controllers are very sturdy, seem straightforward. Ooh, these really just kind of fit into your hand. Like, no joke, they're just there. Oh, these are great feeling. Kind of a little bit of kind of a grayish side. Really thought there would be a more like kind of NGXT's white, but it's kind of like a grayish white, but still really good. You know, like the color difference is kind of different. Like for example, like next we have headset. The headset is it's very light compared to what I assumed. Like again, never had a VR set, don't know what's compared to, but I thought it would be much heavier. I'm liking this. I'm digging this. One thing that I'm noticing is okay, so this is not the actual white. This is like a cover on top of it. So the actual white is kind of grayish off white, which is not bad. I'm still enjoying it. All right, cool. So we got the headset out. Headset's gonna go over there. Let's put the controllers on the side. Cool. So what other accessories do you have? So for example, if you are a person who needs glasses, this is basically a glass cover. So you kind of snap it on in front of the foam padding. So what you would kind of do, you would take this foam padding out basically, and then insert this so that way your glasses don't scratch up the lens. Because if you have a scratched lens in VR, well, I feel bad for you. That's all I can say. So, all right. Put this back. Now let's check out the accessory box. What do we got? All the official cables and knickknacks and stuff. Open this up. All right, let's move this guy out of the way. All right, now we got the cables. All right, so what do we got with the cables? Let's see. So instruction packet, you know, the usual reference guide and all that fun stuff. How to use the Oculus Rift, the little thing that people, you know, generally do not actually read. Put that to the side. We got the Type-C power brick that's going to be used for charging purposes mainly. From what I can see, there are no specs or how many watts this is going to be. Oh, it's a 10 watt. Okay, so it's a 10 watt brick. Not bad. Most likely, if you want like fast charging or like a faster charger, what you can do is kind of just go to like Anchor or something and get their Type-C charging cables or bricks, and then those are usually what rated like 15 watts. You'll be good to go. Then the actual main cable, the USB-C to C. Now, the one thing I do want to mention about this is you will not be able to. Well, I think like technically you could, if you wanted, use this as a Quest Link cable, but it's way too short. So if you're gonna be playing it while standing literally a foot away from your PC, then it's useful, but most likely not. But that is kind of what's inside the box. So just manuals, power brick, the little charging cable, the very light headset itself, and then it comes with two controllers as well. One, two. Cool. Awesome. That's all we got for today. Thank you so much for watching the first ever unboxing on Shaz Tech. If you guys have any VR games that you want to recommend, please put them down in the comments and I'll try to grab them, play them, and give an honest review on what I think about them. Peace.